my name is Hong Lim. I'd like to talk about the age of exploration. In the 15th century, many European countries such as Portugal, Spain, France, and England traded for goods from Asia. Gold, silicon, and spice from India and China were in great demand in Europe. Europeans were willing to pay high price for Asia's goods. However, it took a very long time for merchants to travel to Asia by land. So the Europeans began to search for another route to Asia. The Europeans complained to find sea routes to Asia. Portugal led the way. The Portuguese developed a new ship called the Caribou, which could sail farther and faster than other ships. Slowly but steadily, the Portuguese sailed farther and farther south. Finally, in 1487, the Portuguese captain Bartolomé Dias became the first European to round the southern tip of Africa, the Gate of Good Hope. Around 10 years later, Vasco da Gama sailed all the way from Portugal to Asia. The Europeans had discovered a waterway to Asia. The Portuguese sailed to Asia by going around Africa, but Christopher Columbus, an Italian, believed he could reach Asia by sailing west across the Atlantic Ocean. He convinced Ferdinand and Isabella, the King and Queen of Spain, to sponsor a three-ship mission. With his ships, the Pinta, Nina, and Santa Maria, he set sail in 1492. After several weeks, his crew sighted land. It was not India, so it was the New World. Columbus had discovered North and South America. In 1519, an expedition led by Ferdinand Magellan set sail from Spain. Magellan killed in the Philippines, but his crew achieved the first circumnavigation of the world in 1522. The European Sea Expedition to reach Asia during the 15th and 16th century sailed the world forever. We call this time the age of exploration or the age of discovery. Thank you.